You need to hear this if you're a homeowner in Beaumont, Texas. Ever had a soggy basement? Let's find out why. Rainy days can be a nightmare for your basement. The culprit? Often, it's your plumbing. First off, clogged gutters and downspouts can cause water to pool around your home's foundation. That water needs somewhere to go, and it might just end up in your basement. Next, check your sump pump. Is it working properly? A faulty sump pump can't keep up with heavy rain, leading to flooding. Also, inspect your pipes for leaks or cracks. Even small issues can turn into big problems when it rains. And don't forget the sewer line. Blockages here can cause backups, pushing water into your basement. So what can you do? Keep those gutters clean, test your sump pump regularly, and fix any plumbing issues ASAP. There you have it. Keep your basement dry and your worries at bay. Stay dry, Beaumont. And remember, in case of an emergency, call a specialist at 409-230-1199 for a quote.